graders, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to open two things with the screen share in order to check your work today. While you might use this for today's social studies lesson, you also may use it in the future to look at more than one thing at a time. So to begin with, when you come into your mail, you'll see that you have one email called Midwest Test Practice. Within that, you're going to tap this PDF, and we're going to use the Open or Share button to open it in Notability. We will create a new note and make sure it's in our social studies folder. If you don't have a social studies folder, you can create a new one by going into the subject and choosing new subject. So then you'll press import. It'll tell you that it's sent to Notability, and you can come out and go into your Notability app. Okay, so there you'll be able to see it, a blank version of this test. Okay, so on today's particular lesson, you're going to go through and do basically all you can with it until it's complete. And in order to know that, you're again going to be in Canvas, and the lesson that you'll be paying attention to here is this Midwest Test Review. And within here, it tells us a couple of things. It tells us that we're first going to complete the entire Midwest test in Notability, writing or typing our answers in black. That's important. And then when we're done, we're going to be opening up this Midwest answer key, and we're going to be correcting any mistakes or unknown answers by typing or writing in red. So here's the part that I wanted to be able to show you so that you would know how to do that. So the first thing you'll do is click here, and it will open up the answer key for you. You'll go into Google Drive. You'll be able to see all the correct answers. But if you want to be able to see everything at the same time, you're going to click your finger down here and just kind of pull up, and it will give you the menu bar. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take our Notability app, and you're going to touch it, and you're going to pull it up and drag it over here until it comes in the other half of the screen, just like that. Then we're able to kind of see things side by side. So we're able to go through here, and to correct our work, you see here that if I made mistakes, I changed them in red. You would be able to do the same thing over here, scrolling down to the states and comparing your work on the states. So that's how that works. That's how you can have two items open at the same time. When you're done and you just want to come back to your work, you can drag this all the way over to the side, and it'll close to just the app that you have. And then what we're going to do is when this is done, this is how we can, so this is one key difference that you guys don't have. This is a presentation screen that I have when I'm on here, but normally when you're here, you get a share button. It looks like a square with like an arrow up button, and I can actually get to it a different way, but you can actually just press right here when you do yours. I'm going to get to mine by going out here and pressing and holding on this guy, and then I'll press the share button. This is what it looks like right here. And you're going to get these same options. The rest are the same. We don't see Canvas here, so we're going into other apps. And we just want to save it as a PDF, so this is right. We'll press Share Note. And it'll prepare it, get it ready, and it just kind of asks where do you want to put it. So we're going to scroll over here until we see our Canvas app and press on it. And the cool thing is it kind of knows us. It knows what courses we're enrolled in. So you can choose your hybrid course, 2021 hybrid course. And then the assignment that'll show up for you here on the menu is a few assignments. You might have more than I do, but hopefully one of them is Midwest Test Review. And if you press that, you can just press the submit button, and your completed document will submit right there and be all done for you. You'll get a notification up here. Yay, you submitted it. You did a good job. And to make sure that it's where you want it to be, you can come right back into your Canvas app, and sure enough, you can see up here that it was successfully submitted. And if you want to know, be able to see it, you can even come into Submission and Rubric here, and you can click on the file, and you can see what you submitted right here. Take a look at your work and make sure that it got there the right way. So these are some cool tools that you guys can use to get this ready today. Good luck. Again, probably not helpful for you to be trying to memorize them off of here. You can practice as much as you want before you do it. I'm just hopeful that some of those tools are going to help you both complete and submit your work today. Thanks. Have a great day.